Hello guys, Molweni, Dumelang, Sanbonani. I hope you guys are doing good and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you are coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Okay. Yeah, so today's video is gonna be a bit different from what you usually see on my channel, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some of the things that I think they are the reason that you never look like your favorite YouTuber, your favorite influencer. So as we all know that the average time to do your makeup is 1 hour or so, and your fave is not gonna film a video that is 1 hour long, or a video that is 1 hour 30 minutes long, and besides, no one is gonna watch that. You guys wouldn't watch that. So they assume that you already know like the basics, like they don't show and mention everything in the video. So here I wrote down a few points that I think you need to pay attention to. So the very first step that is very important is always apply a primer before you apply your foundation. Like, most people don't do this, and they expect their makeup to be flawless. Firstly, your primer is there to create a good base for your foundation, so that when you apply your foundation, everything is smooth and on point. So make sure that you apply your primer and that you choose a primer that is suitable for your skin type. For example, if you have oily skin or you have dry skin, make sure that you apply a primer that is gonna be suitable for your skin type. And the second step is to choose a good foundation. This step is also like very essential. Like, make sure that you choose a foundation that matches your skin tone, not a foundation that is one shade lighter than your skin tone, or a foundation that is 2 shades darker than your skin tone. But make sure that you choose a foundation that perfectly matches your skin tone, and also make sure that it's a good foundation that is highly recommended by anyone that you trust when it comes to makeup. And the following step that is very important is to use the right technique, because you can buy all the products that your face always recommend, but if you don't use the right technique, your makeup will never come out as good as theirs. For example, if you are applying your foundation with a brush, and you just drag your brush like that, when you apply your foundation, it's gonna leave lines on your face, and it's just gonna be a mess. And if you are using a beauty blender and you also just drag it like that, it's gonna also leave some marks on your face, where you can see that the beauty blender was going here and this direction and that direction. So if they are saying that you use a damp beauty blender, you also do that. You don't use a dry beauty blender. So yeah, I hope you get my point, guys. But just make sure that you use the right technique. That is very important. And the next step is to set your foundation. Make sure that you buy the right powder to set your foundation, especially if you want your makeup to last you throughout the day. And this helps you by making sure that your foundation or your makeup is not gonna melt and crack and just become a mess. So make sure that you set your foundation. This step is also very important. And The next step is also to use a setting spray. So your setting spray just sets your makeup and makes sure that everything is in place. So when you choose a setting spray, you also choose it according to your skin type. For example, if you have oily skin, you're gonna use a mattifying setting spray. So yeah, also take note of that. And oh, another step that I almost forgot is to use the right tools. Like, the tools are very important. You, like your beauty blenders, your brushes, make sure that they are of good quality. And yeah, guys, those are some of the most important points that I think you need to pay attention to improve your makeup skills, and pay attention to when you're buying your makeup products and equipment. So yeah, that is all I have for you today, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. And yeah, leave a comment section down below. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and share with your friends. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye.